Hi all, welcome back. And these videos were shot in America very long time back. So you will understand when you see my baby. So thinking about the situation right now in America is not really great. So I had a lot of memories there and I really wanted to rewind that happy memories to make the situation and it'll make something better, right? So that's it. We were in Birmingham to be exactly 8 months back. So we had a little trip out there and things like that. We went to the botanical garden and I shot a little travel vlog there. So I'm sharing that with you. This is the entrance. Basically, every time we have gone there prior 2 or 3 times, we never entered the right way. So this time I made sure I entered the right way and I came in, and for our surprise we had that called, I think so it's bonsai if I'm right, um, some exhibition like or competition like. Most of the people have brought in their safeguarded bonsai plants. It was so beautiful and they asked us to look at it and judge it and give our opinion about it. So we're very happy to do it because I know how difficult it is to actually grow a bonsai plant. So we just observed it and we felt very happy being a part of their competition. We were given little slips to write down the number of any tree which we like and put it in a box. So that's it. So we just went through and we selected our tree and we gave it to them. That was a really good experience. And then back to the botanical garden. It was basically the botanical garden. It was not an artificial setup, it was quite natural, which was really nice. It was quite like more like Wayanad, if I have to say. If you're from Kerala, you will know. It was not so much maintained, but yet maintained. That's like my daughter. You can see how small she is. It's quite a long time back, before a year, I think. So she kept doing that because it was basically a fountain which you see quite back there. The water keeps coming, she goes, she touches that and she runs back to us. All the accessories is her own choice. Don't ask me why she's wearing all that. She loves it and she's wearing it. And she had that kind of terrifying doll with her. I don't know what to say. She always carries it wherever she goes, and she had a little craziness to that doll when she was that young. And we had little rose garden. I always remember about Ooty whenever I see rose gardens like this. I actually relate everything to India, and I didn't find anything much better or much best than India. India is the best. I think so. Anybody who's native to a single country would support that country, right? So I always love India, and so we are back in India. I would not say America was bad, but India is the best. See, can you see that? I'm terrified of these dolls. I don't know how much of you will say I'm really terrified of such dolls. I hate dolls. Actually, after that movie, which had a terrifying doll effect in that movie, right? I don't know what is that movie name, but that kept me terrified. I actually didn't get her dolls for quite a long time because of my kind of fear, and then I thought it's time to overcome that fear and get her what she needs. So she got that doll. Look at that. She never listened to her. She was just jumping and running through all those flowers and things, which she was not allowed to do actually, but she was doing it. We just walked through. There were many species of plants, trees, and stuffs like that. If you're a person who loves plants and trees, you will be really interesting in that. We went in a season where they have literally planted all fruits and vegetables. So you can see that little garden where they are starting the growth of the plants. So there was not much to see, like fruits from the tree or vegetables hanging. That is a beautiful sight, but we were not able to see it because we went in the start of the season. This was a part which I liked. I don't know how much of you will be interested in this. This is kind of a spice herb kind of place. Thyme, rosemary, and things like that. I am interested in this because I like the unique flavor of each and every herb they use. It actually, they just add one herb to a dish and it makes a great difference to that dish. That is really nice. That subtle taste. Can you see that's tulsi? That's interesting. This girl was keeping giving all kind of poses from each and every step. Can you see that? Can you see that attitude? Oh my god, I don't know from where she got all that. She was just literally posing from each and every step, and finally I was fed up. I am going. girl, you just keep posing. Look, even till the last step, I just walked off and she ran behind me. That was quite funny. Can you see it's basically like a forest. It's not like a botanical garden from our place, like arranged kind of. It's kind of beautiful place, and again little rest because it's a long walk actually. You have to keep walking, and you find trees, enjoy the walk, enjoy the climate, and keep going. And she was on full energy. I don't know how. We were like drained out of energy walking kilometers, so we just sat to take a little rest while she was not ready to sit down. That baby energy is awesome, which we never have. Something funny about these are the ferns. There were like different kind of ferns there, and like my husband was going there, and he was like checking out everything, and finally he told, I'll just say the statement in Malayalam. ഇത് നമ്മളെ കിണറ്റിൻ്റെ പക്കത്തുള്ളതല്ലേ? Means like normally in Kerala in all the well and things, no, you'll have these fern plants growing inside the well. So he was saying that. That was funny. If you know Malayalam, you would have got that joke. And I always fancy this kind of wooden bridges. I don't know why, not because I had one or I've been used to one, but I always fancy this wooden kind of bridges, standing there and enjoying the water, enjoying the forest. I love that scene. But with a baby, I don't think so enjoying is a word. Basically, you have to look at her, don't let her not jump out of the bridge. Basically, it's a big work, but I really loved being there. And then something interesting in this whole botanical garden was this area. I think so it's a Japanese garden, Japanese style garden or something, which was really pretty. I think so everything about their products are very cute and pretty. Just like that, we had little places which was basically, I think they have tried to represent that place and bring out some originality in that, which was nice actually. And this led to a little tea house or something like that, and which was so beautiful. We were not allowed to see anything inside. We can just stand outside and look at the beautiful tea house and come back. I loved it. I just went alone there because I didn't want her coming dragging behind me and enjoying. I was enjoying the mood, so I really don't want her to be behind me. She was busy watching some other thing out there. There were little water and a shrine set up a little more away from there. I went and I watched everything, and I also didn't forget to take a snap for you. I just took a little videos and photos just for the vlog. And then we kept walking. This is a shrine. I think so basically people sit here and do something about it. A little stage like setup was also there, which was beautiful. I'll just go around and show you. Can you see that? Little stage like, I think so some functional things can happen in that place. If I'm wrong, you can always correct me. I don't know what was happening there. Kept walking, and we had a pool there with a lot of fishes, and we are literally walking towards it because my daughter loves fishies, and every time she sees them she gets very excited. So we kept walking towards the pool. Ta-da, we reached it after a little walk. Can you see that red bridge? And people told me that is a place where most of the newly wed people take pictures, and that was so pretty. We didn't have the energy to walk till that, so this was the end of our trip, and we just enjoyed little fishies out here. It was a little dangerous because the holes were a little big, so that my daughter can literally jump into the waters, but she'll not do it. She is a kind of person who's really precautious and really cautious of what she's doing, so she will never do that. She was just telling me to hold her hands or just pick her up so that she can see the fishes properly. Look at those. All the fishes were really well fed and healthy. All looked really big. It's fun watching fishes in the water, and that too, if they are really colorful, it's really fun to watch them. Look at that, how big. It was interesting for me. I don't know how many of you find it really interesting when you see fishes in the water. I can just watch it for an hour and more than an hour if I can. And I loved the total visit itself. It was really nice. It was really calming and soothing. If you're a person who are always in a hurry-burry, this is not a place for you. You cannot enjoy anything out here. And if you find like there's nothing here, only trees, that is all, such kind of people cannot enjoy over here. So if you're calm and quiet and you have a lot of time in your hand, come down and visit the Botanical Garden in Birmingham. So we enjoyed our visit. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.